Hi from Bugeye guys. This week I just wanted to show you quickly the kingpin assembly on these Sprites and many British cars. It's similar. The swivel axle rotates on two bushings inside this assembly on the kingpin mounts to the control arm. Now in the case of this car, we're putting in adjustable control arms so that the customer can have the negative camber that he wanted. But take a look at how this kingpin assembly moves, this swivel axle. You should be able to see it's jerky and requires quite a bit of effort to move, and that's bad. Every time you turn the steering wheel, you want something that's supported but without that much friction. The issue is that you need to grease the bushing right here, and there's also a lower grease fitting here. If you lower it down, you'll see it. This fitting right here, this grease fitting, has to be greased regularly. Otherwise, in this case, what we actually have is a seized, almost seized bushing on the kingpin. We'll remove all of that and replace it. But if you're watching this and you have a drum brake car, it's an excellent reason to convert to disc brakes, which is exactly what we're doing here today, because you get an entire new swivel axle assembly with new bushings and you can start over. That's what we're up to this week here at Bugeye Guys.